Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best useful photography gadgets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Photo & Tech Camera Lens Cap Leash. This budget-friendly gadget is a lifesaver for any photographer prone to misplacing their lens caps. The leash features a strong adhesive-backed button that securely attaches to your lens cap, while its elastic loop wraps around your lens barrel or strap connector for convenience. It's lightweight and durable, making it a simple yet effective solution for photographers on the go. The design is minimal but functional, with the elastic loop offering flexibility to fit most interchangeable lenses. It's compact, and once attached, you'll barely notice it's there, until you realize you haven't lost your lens cap. Performance-wise, it does exactly what it promises, keeps your lens cap safely tethered to your camera. However, some users have noted that the adhesive may weaken over time, so it's best suited for casual or hobbyist use. At just $5.99, it's hard to beat the value here. It's a must-have accessory for beginner photographers who don't want to spend extra money replacing lost caps. While it lacks the wow factor of the other products on this list, its practicality earns it a spot in our top 5. Pros: affordable, simple to use, lightweight. Cons: adhesive may weaken over time, no advanced features. At number 4, we have the Fibonacci Viewfinder by Bluxibu. This compact tool is designed for photographers and artists looking to perfect their compositions using principles like the golden ratio, Fibonacci sequence, and rule of thirds. The set includes 3 different acrylic viewfinders, each tailored to a specific compositional guideline, measuring about the size of a credit card. These tools are incredibly portable and can easily slip into your wallet or camera bag. The build quality is impressive considering the price. Made from durable acrylic, the viewfinders are lightweight yet sturdy enough to withstand regular use. They're perfect for outdoor photographers, plein air artists, or anyone who values creative precision. Performance-wise, this gadget is a fantastic teaching tool, helping you visualize and frame shots with more artistic intent. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or abstract photography, the Fibonacci Viewfinder adds a layer of sophistication to your work. Priced at $9.90, it's an affordable way to level up your composition skills. It's ideal for students, hobbyists, and even seasoned photographers looking to refine their craft. That said, it's not an essential tool for everyone, especially if you already have a good grasp of composition principles. Pros: compact, lightweight, and highly educational. Cons: limited to compositional use, may not appeal to casual photographers. Coming in at number 3, we have the DSLR Cheat Sheet by Tip Info. This pocket-sized guide is a game-changer for photographers at any skill level. It features 30 pages of quick reference photography tips, including exposure settings, shooting modes, and composition techniques. Designed to fit in your pocket or clip onto your camera bag, it's a lightweight and portable resource for on-the-go learning. The design is well thought out with color-coded, double-sided sheets that are easy to navigate. The included carabiner makes it simple to attach to your bag, ensuring you always have it handy. In terms of performance, the DSLR Cheat Sheet excels at simplifying complex topics. Beginners will appreciate the straightforward explanations, while more advanced users can benefit from the quick tips for specific scenarios, like shooting fireworks or sunrises. At $9.99, this is an excellent investment for photographers looking to improve their skills. It's especially useful for those who feel overwhelmed by lengthy camera manuals or technical jargon. While it's not a gadget in the traditional sense, its practicality and educational value make it a standout choice. Pros: comprehensive yet concise, portable, affordable. Cons: not a physical gadget, relies on the user's willingness to study. At number 2, we have the Camera Lens Coffee Mug by Chasing Y. This fun and quirky gadget is a stainless steel thermos designed to look like a realistic camera lens. It's perfect for photographers who want to showcase their passion, even when they're off the clock. The mug features a vacuum-insulated interior to keep your beverages hot or cold, and it comes with a spill-proof lid and a handy spoon. The design is incredibly detailed, mimicking the look of a professional DSLR lens. The stainless steel build ensures durability, while the insulated design prevents sweating, making it comfortable to hold. Performance-wise, it's not just about looks. It's a fully functional thermos that keeps your drinks at the desired temperature for hours. It's also versatile, doubling as a pen holder, vase, or even a novelty gift. Priced at $16.68, it's a bit more expensive than your average coffee mug. But the unique design and functionality justify the price. It's an excellent gift for photography enthusiasts or a fun addition to your own collection. Pros: unique design, functional as a thermos, great conversation starter. Cons: limited to novelty use. Some users may find the lid less secure than expected. Finally, at number 1, we have the Pro Lens Kit by Zenvo. This premium gadget is designed for smartphone photographers who want DSLR-like versatility. The kit includes a TrueView 0.45 times wide-angle lens, a Claris 15 times macro lens, a rechargeable LED fill light, a travel case, and various accessories. It's compatible with all major smartphone brands, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to step up their mobile photography game. But build quality is exceptional, with aircraft-grade aluminum and multi-coated optical glass ensuring durability and clarity. The wide-angle lens allows you to capture 45% more of the scene, making it perfect for landscapes and group shots. The macro lens, on the other hand, lets you take stunning close-ups with razor-sharp detail. The LED fill light is a standout feature, offering warm, natural illumination with 3 brightness settings. At $39.99, it's the most expensive item on this list, but it delivers incredible value for serious hobbyists and professionals alike. Whether you're taking selfies, capturing travel memories, or shooting product photos, this kit has you covered. Pros: high-quality build, versatile lenses, includes LED light. Cons: pricey compared to other options. Not ideal for those who rarely use their smartphone for photography. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.